got the JUOYOU Surge Protector Power Strip with USB ports. This is the box that it came in. This is the unit itself. Nice, thick power cord. Very well grounded. You have 4 major outlets to plug in. Thunderbolt lightning power port, USB power port, and on the side you have 4 total 5-volt 3 amp USB charging ports. Here on the side you have 2 more plug-in outlets. In the rear, off and on switch, LED indicator light to let you know that the surge protector is on. So you have a total of 2 major outlets on each side, 4 USB charging ports on the front. Very, very good value for your money. Makes a great gift and a good addition to your power strip accessories for your home. Thank you.